These minis have seen some stuff. That first guy there, I asked ChatGPT to give me a paint scheme, and I'm not a fan of it, and these been experiments. So to easily strip back a mini, you can get a big bottle of Dettol. This is 2 liters for like, I think it was like 20 bucks from Bunnings. You want the brown Dettol. So all you do is you fill it into a tub. This one's already been filled, and you dump your minis in there. Yeah, so you're just going to leave them in there and seal that lid up. Now let's let it marinate for 12 to 24 hours and let that paint regret its life choices. All right, now that it's been 24 hours, I actually grabbed this one. So depending on how bad they are, it might take longer, but these ones were actually done within 11 minutes. So the very important one to get started with is you don't want to wash these minis off with water until you're finished. So here I am just scrubbing it and dumping it into the bucket to kind of help wash it, because the moment you put water into it, it turns it into a sludge, which makes it impossible to get apart. So unfortunately, I did make that mistake on this first one, but after that first one, I end up, you know, fixing my issue and doing it properly. So as you can see, look how quick and effective that is. So this is going to be a series where I'm going to put different solutions to the tests. So isopropyl alcohol, simple green, Dettol's this one. So we're going to put them all experiment, see which one works best and which is going to be good and cost effective for someone that's just getting started. So that's the thing, just paint. Don't stress about how they look. If you're not a fan of them, you can always just strip them back. The best time to wash them is once everything's done. As I said, once you get no paint off it, then you can wash it. If you're still getting paint off them, don't wash them. So that one there in the pink Hello Kitty style that I did, the main reason why I'm very thrilled to sit and show you the outcome, this model has been painted when that model first released. It's been like that for that long and it still came back. Yes, there's still some pink in the crevice, but overall, pretty good. So yeah, all I did was give it a quick dry, give it a pat, make sure the paint's off as much as it can. Some will still stay there, but that's not to be concerned with. So then you let it dry. Usually can get away with a couple of hours you can dry them for. So there you go, that's after it's been dried. I reckon that looks pretty good, and don't mind me dropping them. But yeah, as I said, you got some paint's gonna be stubborn. You can even get in there with a finer toothpick or even like a tiny brush or something. But overall, I reckon it works pretty darn well. I'm pretty impressed with it. So then all it's left now to do after you let your minis dry, like look at that, 6 years it's been that heavy painted and it still pulled it up. Now all you have to do is add your primer. And look at that. So there's how it used to look, and that is how it's changed with a primer. Brand spanking new, ready for a new chance at life. So this is a fantastic way. It's super cheap. Dettol, you can get it everywhere. You don't need a special shop for it. You can even get it Woolworths, Coles. Yeah, there you go. That fella. Been like that for years, and look how much it's still cleaned up. Unbelievable. And you can get it anywhere. It's cheap, easy to get, easy to use. So the biggest important, oh my God, sorry, microphone spot. The important part is when scraping the paint off, don't wash your mini until no more paint's coming off. Once no more paint's coming off, it's right to wash. That is the important one. Otherwise, you're just gonna make it harder for yourself. But yeah, pretty thrilled, pretty happy, because as someone that's learning a new style of techniques of painting, you're gonna make mistakes. So at least I know that if I make a mistake, I can recover from it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Big success, and I'll see you in the next video.